Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in your Infiniti Q50. First, let's gather our supplies. You'll need a new oil filter, about 5 quarts of the correct engine oil, a drain pan, and a funnel. Don't forget your wrench, an oil filter removal tool, and some safety gloves. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and efficient, ensuring you can complete the job without interruptions. Before draining, run your engine for a few minutes to warm the oil, making it flow out more easily. Safely lift your car and place the drain pan beneath the oil pan. Carefully remove the drain plug, allowing the old oil to flow into the pan. Let it drain completely, which usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes, ensuring all the old, dirty oil is removed from your engine. Once the oil has drained, remove the old oil filter. Apply a thin layer of new oil to the gasket of your new filter before screwing it on by hand until snug. Replace the drain plug with a new crush washer, tightening it to the manufacturer's specifications. Now, using a funnel, slowly add about 5 quarts of the recommended new engine oil into the fill port. After adding the new oil, start your engine and let it run for a minute or two. This allows the oil to circulate. Turn off the engine, wait a few minutes, then check the oil level using the dipstick, adding more if needed. Finally, ensure there are no leaks around the drain plug or filter. Remember to properly dispose of the used oil at an approved recycling center.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.